Salve discipuli. This lesson is about some extra use of the genitives. Here's a quick review of all the genitives we know, so from all 5 declensions. So the current use of the genitive that we have is the possessive. That's pretty much all we've been using it for up until recently. Some example of the possessive would be Maritus Galatea erat Aristo. Galatea's husband was Aristo. Galatea is in the genitive, so she is possessing the husband. You could also write it out as the husband of Galatea was Aristo. Pro templo Caesaris stat ara. In front of Caesar's temple stood an altar. You could also say in front of the temple of Caesar stood an altar. This one's a little confusing because this of right here is actually part of the preposition in English. So in front of, these 3 words right here are translating the word pro. All right, so another use of the genitive is quantity. Quantity is a description for amount, as in how many. Satis pecuniae, enough money. You can throw the of in here to help it make sense, also to help to recognize and point out that we are dealing with a genitive here. Nimium vini, not enough of wine. We would just say not enough wine. Plus sanguis, more blood. More of blood would be a way of really forcing that genitive in there, that of in there. All right, so now we have a third use of the genitive, description. So homo ingenii pravi. This is actually a combination of a noun and an adjective. So a man of evil character. So evil character is not possessing the man, nor is it showing an amount of anything. It's just giving you more information about the man. It is describing the man. That's why we call it the descriptive use of the genitive. Femina magnae dignitatis, a woman of great dignity. Puella magnae prudentiae, a girl of great sense. Vir summae virtutis, a man of the utmost courage. So remember, genitives can do a few different things. They can show possession, they can show quantity or amount, and they can describe. For a while, I will ask you to identify which of the 3 uses the genitive is doing. You won't always have to do that. As always, if you're unsure, just translate the genitive with of, but make sure that you're putting the of on the word that is in the genitive, not on a different word. Vale discipuli.